What's up, YouTube, man? Today I got a legendary video for y'all. I have a buddy of mine coming to pick me up and giving us a ride in his Hellcat. So basically, this is my first time ever being a Hellcat, which is also my dream car. So this is a video that I couldn't wait to get done. So I appreciate my boy Duncan for doing it for me. So if you guys go ahead and give him a follow on Instagram at Duncan Nasty or Dunk Nasty, and I'll leave the link of his stuff down in the description below. And basically, next time you see me, he'll be here picking me and my boy Nikel up, and man, I can't wait. Look at this motherfucker. I got like clear tape. What's that? Oh shit! That's insane, bro.
When you're in a Hellcat, you can do those things. They're legendary. All right, here we are. Oh my God, my ears, man. Oh my. Yo, that was insane, dog. Yo, that wine, man. Let's hope they don't leave me, bro. That'd be kind of crazy.
Whoa. That shit's fucking insane.
They left me out here, big stranded. Oh, there they are. I'm like, man, they left me, dog. That is wild. Yo, can I say insane? Bro, my ears, dog. Yeah.
I'll say, alright, so I have a look. Wait, we gotta tape it up first. Now we're gonna tape it up. Right? Put it all back here. Yeah, just pretty much. I don't know how much.
Yo, my God, dude. This is legendary, dog. Yo, this is legendary, man. Hold on, I gotta pull my actual phone out too to get this legendary moment out. First time. Tires are massive, though. Then you got the original. Look at them Brembos, boy. Woo! Them Brembos. Look at that nostril, man. Look at that face. Look at it. Hey, I'm good. Wait, no, you. Oh my God! Oh! You can't even see him, man. Oh my! Oh, you can only hear him, dog. Oh my God! Fucking legendary. There he is. There he is. Oh.
I don't even know where he is, man. We're back out of here. Alright, come on. Where are you over there? Oh, shit.
I tried to fucking slide it, but that didn't.
I lost you for a second in the smoke. I'm like, oh man, that was crazy.
That's what I'm saying. We lost you. We got scared. Well, I ain't know he. I know I ain't scared.
Yeah, I wasn't gonna run
I
up.
can't even see it. I ain't no real fucking. That's funny.
Something going on back there. Hell yeah. Get the fuck out of my face, boy. What the fuck, bro?
This is bullshit. I can hear that. It's so crazy, man. It's so crazy, man. I would just drive all day, every day. Oh my.
We just drove. He works at SVG. Driving 2018 RT Challenger or something like that. I thought that was.
Yeah, we thought that was crazy, dude. Alright, and it should be.
Oh shit. This guy, yeah, it's this right here.
Yeah.
Man, this is.
Damn, that's hella rubber.
I probably melted it. Yeah, I fucking melted it.
No, bro. Big embarrassing.
Look at this guy.
Why, man? It would have been a nice car before that.
It was a nice car. It was.
Oh, drop the camera. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, let's make it right here, bro. I'm my fault.
Oh my god, look at the camera. Oh my god.
Oh my god, bro. That was crazy.
Oh my god. I cannot wait.
This thing backfires too. That's like only on a rare occasion.
Yeah.
When it does, it sounds like a 308.
Oh.
It's bad. I'm hoping that if I put headers on it, it'll fucking backfire more. But it probably will.
That'd be great.
Nice fucking Burger King.
That was pretty nice too.
Oh, come on, another one? Jeez.
Drop the camera.
I was about to say, I had to hold it with 2 minutes. Oh god. The GoPro would have been gone, man. That is like,
That's all I can say is that's crazy.
yeah, like I'm in shock. No, thank you, dog. Like, no, I really appreciate it.
Come true right here, bro.
Oh,
Yeah, like help me, help you.
it's really.
But yeah, I'm gonna have to download all that shit on edit and all that.
One more time before it leaves us, man. But go follow him on Instagram, man. That Dunk Nasty, man. You know what to do, man. Go hit that follow.
Alright, like I said, I'm gonna edit and shit. Niggas see your email and all that. Alright, bro, be safe.
And that's a wrap.
Hey, what's up, guys? So basically I forgot to make an outro to the video today, but today was the funnest day ever. I got to ride in one of my favorite cars, my dream car basically, and it was just a blast, and hopefully I'll have plenty more videos like this coming to the channel soon. And with that being said, go ahead and give my boy Duncan a follow on Instagram at DunkNasty, and I'll go ahead and put the link to his Instagram or whatever in the description below. And if you guys enjoyed the video, please go ahead and give it a like and go and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next time.